So this video will concern finding the HCF of monomials. Now see, these are monomials wherein there is only one term and we need to find the highest common factor HCF of these monomials. Now let us do first question in detail, and after that we will skip some steps to solve them in lesser number of steps, thereby saving time in competitive exams. So in the first question you see 4x square. Just make the factor of the numeral part, that is a 4. So 4 is 2 into 2 and x square can be written as it is. We will apply a rule to find the HCF. Simultaneously here 18x cube can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 3 and x cube can be written as it is. Now you see the highest common factor. Now see here 2 is the common factor, so it will come in the HCF. This 2 is not existing in the remaining part of the second expression, and the 2 3's here, there is no 3 in the first expression, so there is nothing common in the numbers or the factors of the two monomials. So 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3, only 1 2 is common, so HCF will contain only 2. Now see the other part, that is the term containing the variable. Now here we have x square and here we have x cube. So whenever you have to take the highest common factor, just take the lower power of the common variable. Here we have x square and x cube, so what is the lower power? That is the square. So x square will come in the HCF. Nothing else is there. So the final answer for the first question is 2x square. Now let us understand this in a better way by applying it here. See, here we have 6x cube y. Now this 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3 and x cube and y will remain as it is, and 18x square y square. So 18 can be factorized as 2 into 3 into 3 and x square y square will remain as it is. Now check the HCF. See, this is 1 2 which is common, so 2 will come here. 1 3 which is again common, so 3 will come here. Now this 3 does not exist here. Between x square and x cube, the lower power is x square, so x square will come in the answer as it is, and y square, the lower power is y, so y will come in the answer. So your answer for the question is 6x square y. Similarly you can solve this question. Now we have three expressions here. So minus 5xy square, minus 10x square y and 15x square y square. Now these are the three expressions which are given. Let us factorize them. See, minus 5xy square, they cannot be factorized further because 5 is a prime number. Minus 10 has factors 2 into 5 and x square y will come as it is. 15 has factors 3 into 5 and x square y square will come as it is. So now you can find the HCF. Now see, minus sign is coming in two of the expressions but not in the third expression, so it is not a common sign, so we will not take minus in the HCF. So in the answer you will have the numeral 5 which is existing in all the three monomials. So 5 will be there, 2 is not existing in both, 3 is not existing. Between x square and x square, x it has the lowest power, so x will come because it has x raised to power 1, at least x raised to power 1 in all the three monomials, so the minimum power is 1. And between y square, y and y square, again y is the lowest power, so the HCF of these three expressions is 5xy. Apply it here. See, this can be factorized as 2 into 7 a cube minus 3 into 7 a and 42. If you factorize this, 2 into 3 into 7 a square. Now look for the common factors. See, 2 does not exist here, so 2 will not come. 7 7 and 7. In all the three expressions you find this 7, so 7 will come in the final answer of HCF. And between the variables a cube, a and a square, lowest power is a, so a will come in the final answer of HCF. So 7a is the HCF of these three given expressions. Apply the method here. 16 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, x raised to power 4 and y cube. 20, 2 into 2 into 5, x cube y 4. And 68, 2 into 2 into 17, x 4 y 4. Now look for the common factors. See, we have 1 2 in all the three, so 2 will come here. See, another 2 in all the three, so another 2 will come here. Now no more 2's are existing here, so these will not come. 5 and 17 are not common in all the three. Now look for the variables. X raised to power 4, x raised to power 3 and x raised to power 4. The lowest power is x cube. Y cube, y4 and y4, lowest power is y cube. So your answer for the question is 4x cube y cube. Similar method can be applied for the final question here. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, a square, b square, c square. 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, a cube, b4, c square. And the final one, 36, 2 into 3 into 3, a, b5, c4. Now look for the common factors to find the HCF. See, here we have a 3, 3 and 3, so 3 is common. Another 3, 3 and 3, so another 3 is common. Now see, no more 3's here, so this 3 will not come. 2's are not existing here, so 2's will also not be a common factor. Finally, we have the variables. See, a square, a cube, a, so lowest power is a. B square, b4, b5, b square is the lowest power. C square, c4, c square is the lowest power. So the answer for this question is 9a b square c square. So students, this forms the basis of many higher algebraic concepts wherein you have to factorize and simplify algebraic expressions. If you have knowledge of HCF, only then you will be able to solve all those higher. Now in trick 333, we have studied how we can find the HCF of monomials. Now an algebraic expression is nothing but a addition or subtraction of many terms. That is, two or more monomials are either added or subtracted, then they form an algebraic expression. So if you are aware of trick number 333, wherein we have learned how to find the HCF of monomials, this video should be very easy for you. And if not, you can just watch that 333 trick so that you can form the basis of this video. Now see, a very simple question first. 5x minus 15x square. How to find the HCF of the terms containing 5x minus 15x square? I'll write all the steps and subsequently we can skip steps to save time. Now see, 5 is a prime number. We cannot factorize 5 further. 15 can be factorized as 3 into 5. Now in these two terms, this 5 is a common factor. So 5 will come here. And 3 is not a common factor. Between the variables x and x square, the lower power of the variable is x. So the HCF of the terms of this algebraic expression is 5x. That means if you want to factorize this expression, you have to take 5x as the common factor. Now see, another such question. See, we have number 20 here. So 20 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 5 and a raised to power 6 b cube will come as it is. 15 can be factorized as 3 into 5 and a raised to power 8 and b raised to power 7 will come as it is. Now check for the HCF of the terms. Now see, these 2 is not existing here, but 5 does come in both the terms. So 5 will be a part of the HCF. Now 3 is not existing here, so this will not come. A raised power 6 and A raised power 8, the lower power is A raised power 6. Between B cube and B raised power 7, B cube is the lower power. So the answer for the second question is 5 A power 6 B cube. Similarly, you can carry out calculations of this also. See, minus 4 is 2 into 2 m square, minus 10 is 2 into 5 m cube. Now see, in both the terms you have the negative sign. So in the HCF, the negative sign will surely come because it is existing in both. Between the numerals of the first term and the second term, 2 is the common numeral. 2 and 5, now they are uncommon. Between the variables m square and m cube, lower power is m square. So your answer for the third question is minus 2 m square. So this is the term you have to take common when you have to factorize the expression. Now see this one. In this you have minus, now 2 into 2 4 a square, plus 2 into 2 4 ab, and 4 again 2 into 2 ac. Now for finding the HCF, find the common numeral. See, minus, here it is minus, here it is plus, and here it is minus, so minus is not common. So you can take the first 2 into the second 2, which is common. Between a square, a and a is the common factor because that is the lower power, and b is not common, c is not common. So your answer for the next question is 4a. Between these three terms, minus 7 x cube y square minus 14 can be factorized as 2 into 7, and 21 can be factorized as 3 into 7. Now you can very easily find the HCF. See, negative, negative and positive, so negative sign is not common. 7 is the common numeral between the three terms, so 7 will come in the HCF. Between x cube, x and x square, x is the lowest power. Between y square, y cube and y is the lowest power. So the answer for the question is 7xy. Finally, we have this question. See, 25 can be factorized as 5 into 5. 20 as 2 into 2 into 4, that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 20, and finally 50, this is 2 into 5 into 5, x raised to power 4, y raised to power 4. So now you can find the HCF by sorting out the common factors. See, we have 5 here, 5 here and 5 here, so 1 5 will come. Now no more 5s, so this 5 will not come in the HCF because there are no 5s. 2s, obviously they will also not come because here there are no 2s. So all the other expressions are done. Now see the variables x4, x square, x4. So x square is the lower power, y square, y4, y4, so y square is the lower power. So the HCF of the final question is 5x square, y square. Students, this is how you take common terms, and this forms a very important base of the questions on factorization. So if you want to have mastery over factorization of various types of expressions, then you need to master the skill of finding the HCF of terms in an algebraic expression. So I hope you have understood how we take the common factor out, and if not, watch this video once more. I am sure you will come out successfully. And if you have understood the method, kindly do share the video and subscribe the channel.